Today we're going to see if we can diagnose to see what's wrong with my stove. This back burner does not turn on. Maybe this one. And as you can see, it doesn't work. So we're going to try to fix that today. Maybe we can do it. We have a donor stove that we're going to try to utilize and take the pots off of that and see what happens. So this is my Whirlpool double oven stove. Everything on this works beautiful. The only issue is this back burner does not work. Now, you don't need all 5 burners. I mean, the middle ones are warmer, but I mean, who needs all that? But, you know, apparently it's nice to have that one just in case. So we do have that donor stove out in the other yard, and while we have that, we just let's see if we can fix this one with the pots from the other one. So there is a couple of bolts right underneath here that need to come off, and then we're also going to have some Phillips head screws that might have to come off here and here on the back. So we're gonna bang that out real quick. All right. So once you get the 2 front screws loose, this pot's going to slide back. There should be a plug. We're going to unplug this. That'll release your wires. I need 2 hands. Hold on. Okay, so all our wires are unplugged. Oh, got one more set back. One more set on the other side, right there. Okay, so they're all off, and as you can see, this stove has been well used. Got a little bit of burning. Maybe some crap fell on it. So this is an older one, so it's not nice and pretty, but it does work great. Okay, so we're upside down. I flipped it over on the table. This is the one. Yeah, when you flip it over. So we'll test it. First, we're gonna check for continuity. We're gonna get our ohm meter, and we're gonna check here and here to see what we have. Okay, so of course you're gonna need one of these. So it should. I mean, here's what it. Once you connect your 2 leads together, it should show there that there's connectivity. And it's always nice to, you know, depending on your meter, some have a different ohm reading when it's an absolutely closed connection. So this is 0.5, 0.4, and it bounces. So when we check this, wish I could do this one-handed. See, we have connectivity. So this burner is good. So it's not a problem with this. So next is we're going to check the switch. Well, I guess it's a good practice. So this is the one that's working. This is the one that is not working. And so funny. Because when things are upside down, things are just different. Oh my God. Now, let's see if we can do this again the way we did the last time. Because when I checked this, we'll connect our leads, and we have no change at all. So this element is bad. Well, that's what we're going to change. We're going to take it apart and see what it is. So funny, I tested the wrong one. Let's see. Be able to move this. Slide that over. Let's see. We should be able to. Yep, there we go. I don't like this. Why is this all frayed? Okay. Let's see. Look at that. That's a problem. It's burnt out right there. Why it burnt out there? Don't know. But definitely got hot and broke. So that's the cause. So let's see if the donor has a good one. Now it's important to know the wattage, because the donor is going to want to be the same wattage. All right. this is 1200. Alright, so here's our donor one. Different color. This one's Maytag, but I'll tell you what, a lot of these companies all use the same parts, same situation. You got your little 1/4 inch bolts on the bottom. We're going to take this cover off, lift it up, see what the back burner is. See, hopefully it's the same wattage. Yeah, so here it is. I mean, certainly looks... Hey, this one doesn't have a warmer. This one, the center one's actually a cooker on this one. That's pretty cool. So it looks similar. So we're going to pop this off. I don't really see the wattage on it right now at all. So this one's a little bit different. Looks like the probe's in the center. We're going to see if it works. Maybe we can wire it to work on mine. Okay, so here are the two. I mean, this one's clearly older style, newer style. Let's see. See if it even fits in there. This one doesn't seem to have a rating on it as far as how many watts. But it does fit in the same hole. I mean, the one that I got from out on the deck is rusty, maybe from sitting outside for a couple of days. I don't know. Now, can we use this? Looks like we can, because that's the common high low. Yeah, I guess, well, can't break, it's already broken, right? Yeah. Let's try it out. Okay, so one thing I've noticed is where it fastens seems to be in a different location than this was at 27. Let's see, so I guess there's a whole... It's nice that there's numbers on here. So let's see, can we put this at 27 like the other one was? Now obviously the other one was not at 27. It was over here. 15, it looked like 15. But I think we'll be okay. Yep. Alright, so maybe that's why they have numbers. Who knows? Learning as we go. Okay, so this one's fastened. Now we're just going to transfer the wires. So this is the only, so this is going to be mounted here. Yeah, because you have the first one. So it's a little bit different. So this one goes through the coil, comes around, comes back through here. And on this one, it has a different lead, comes through the coil, through the maze, and out here. So we're just going to move that black one to here. That should be simple enough. Side note, so these terminals are smaller than these terminals. Now you can either take this off, but if you don't have to, I wouldn't do that because you're going to cause a weak connection here, possibly, and then you'll have a hot point here. So what I just did was I just opened up the ends. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, so I just widened it up with the screwdriver, and you don't want to widen it up too much. You want it to be able to grab it still, so there's still some need to push this thing on here. Yep, as you can see. Oh yeah. There we go. That sucker's on. That's going nowhere. Oh, I don't want these wires too close to one another. I don't know why that's all frayed like that, but whatever. As long as it works. Okay, so next is to plug it in, see if it works. We'll get rid of this out of here. Put this bad boy, might have to clean this up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so we got it here, we got it lined up. So the hotter one is going to be that one, so we're going to tackle that one first. This one looks fairly easy to connect. That one looks tough. Whew, got it. Tell you what. That was tough. Because your hands barely fit in there. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just going to make sure we tuck that back. Alright, so I never unplugged it. Probably not the safest thing to do, but hey, I skipped a step. Anyhow, let's turn it on. Let's just see if it comes on. You ready? Or not? Maybe we'll blow up the place. Actually, yeah, this one. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, dip. Look at that. The rear burner's working. Excelente. Look at that. Let's try low. See what it does on low. Oh, shit, low is off. I think we're good in the hood. Oh, yeah. Still got some heat. I don't know what the temperature is for low is. Tell you what, these little things work nice. It's on. Alright, just for visual, there's the floor temp. There's the stove temp. So it's hot. It's not showing red hot, but I mean it's on low. So we're good. Let's turn that bad boy up to medium. Oh, it definitely shows a difference on medium. I think we have a working range here. Awesome. Let's see if we crank this bad boy up. It's going to be too hot. I still got to assemble this thing. It's going to be too hot. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh, yeah. 350. Any hotter? Oh, 360. Yeah, we're doing all right. All right, so just got to put it back in reverse order, and that's it. That bad boy's done, thanks to that donor. So hopefully, maybe I'll go take the other burners off and save those too. So I guess we did it. We crushed it. We fixed this stove. It's like 10 years old. I don't know. That burner hasn't worked for like 2 years. I've been procrastinating, but since we had that donor stove, and we were able to get that back right burner working. That's awesome. So, yeah, good stuff, man. Hopefully I helped somebody. Fairly simple to take apart. As you've seen, a couple of bolts, plugs, match up the burner element, and then that's it. Done deal. Fixed. Easy peasy.